Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what it means, I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 44.50 here. Gonna go to 43.50 actually. Looking to get a put here. If you don't know what I mean when I say that, I'm trading options. If you don't know what options are, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please. Or if you're intimidated by them, just put guide down in the comment section. I offer a free class called The Big Base of Options, and I'll explain all the basic terminologies and all that. Options can be very complicated. Don't get me wrong. They can be made very advanced, but they don't have to be. And I take more of a simple approach. So if that's how you take things, if you like to approach things in a simple way, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. Again, I am at 43.50 for a put. It's close for a second. Can I go to 42.50 now? I will pause. And I'm watching down here, so when I say 42.50, my order's out there right now at 42.50. So I want to see this number right here come down to 42.50 and go obviously a little bit, but not obviously if you're new, but go a little bit below it, which would allow me to get filled. So that's the number I'm mainly watching over there. But I'll go ahead and pause for now. Change my order to 44.50, in at 44.50, out for $50. If you blinked, you missed it. You might have to scroll back. That all happened very, very quick. It was $50, and I don't know, maybe a second. 1,001. Yeah, I think it might have been less than a second. Whoops. Sorry, I made my part of my screen real big. I do want to see if it wants to come up a bit more. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 50.10 here for a put. It needs to come up just a bit more. All right, I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it though. Have an order at 49.50, in at 49.50. Wow. Oh, that one was even quicker. That was less than a half a second. Let's go to 47.50 now. Again, you'll have to scroll back. I'm going to have to scroll back because by the time I hit sell and then I looked, I was already out. So I have another order at 47.50 now. And we'll see if we can get up to that area. I will go ahead and pause. All right, looking for a put here at 51.50. Oh, I was there, just not quite fast enough. All right, I'll pause. I'm at 49.50 here. That's what I wanted, so got to go to 48.50 now. I'm at 48.50 for a put. I got to go to 48. All right, I'll pause. All right, looking for a call here at 58.50. Oh, too slow for that one as it returns back upwards. Okay, never mind. Have an order at 45.50 here. Okay, that's what I wanted, so we got to go to 44.50 now. See if we can get just a bit more of a move. Getting close. Okay, I got to go to 43.50 now. Nope, not filling me. Go to 42.50 instead. You'll see I was on best bid, but was not getting filled. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 48.70 here for a call. Looks like 48.10 will be more of an accurate area. All right, coming down, getting close. Nope, I do not like how it's just... Yeah, a little bit too slow of an approach. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 55.50 here. In at 55.50 for a call. And out for $50 there. So that one was about 10 seconds, but that one felt like a long time compared to the first two. But we all could see, myself included, that one actually play out a little bit. So let's go down to that area now. We will try over, so about 52.50, gonna try. Throw an order out there, just double checking, there we go. So 52.50, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 49.70. Okay, hesitated too much, so let's go to 49.10 now. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 48.50 here. For a call. All right, I'll pause. Okay, going for a call here at 35.50. And I got the call at 35.50. And out for another $50 move. Very good. If this wants to come down some more, then I will be ready at about 458. I am going to change strike prices. Once again, if you have no idea what I mean when I say strike price, just comment below guide, please. I'll link you to that guide. So that's about 4. So 41.50. Trying to just do some. So let me throw the order out there just in case there's another quick move down. But there we go. So another very quick $50. All right, going to go for a put here at 45.50. Nope. All right, nice. Got in 45.50 for a put. And out for another relatively fast $50. I will go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record? I did. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to go ahead and just call it good. So pretty sure this is the case, but I think all 5 of these trades were under 10 seconds. So 5 trades, each of them under 10 seconds. Very, very quick, very, very anticlimactic sniper shots. A couple of them were, I think, under a second. I think the first 2. But yeah, sometimes, things go smoothly. You're in and out of things oh so quick, and the gains add up that much quicker. So $250, I will take it, especially when, you consider the context. This is just a side hustle for me. I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to have multiple streams of income, but I don't do this because I want the Rolex or the private jet. Now, if those are your goals, cool. I hope you get those things. But for me, I have 6 kids, so I want to spend time with them. I want freedom of time. I want to, like I said, spend time with my family, work on my real estate estate investing business, work on the teaching business at claytrader.com. But at the core, I just want the freedom of time. If you're after the yacht, go get that yacht and hey, maybe give me a ride sometime. But like I said, for me, that's just not where I'm at in my life. I want that freedom of time. And if I can put $250 in my pocket within a couple hours while there's other streams of income coming in, I am more than happy with that. So thanks for watching. Take care. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, and I will see you back for the next one. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.